Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. This is going to be my Tips Blitz 2023 offering. Okay. Uh, Kitchen tip. First one, a kitchen tip. Don't steam rice in your microwave. That little track, those three little wheels roll in under the glass plate that goes around and around. Well, that'll rust. And once it starts rusting, the microwaves actually burn through it. Ask me how I know this. Okay, now a little bit to the window. Hey! And azimuth down. Hey! Okay, like I say, don't steam your rice in the microwave. Bad idea. Go to yard sale and get one of them rice steamers. It was the rage for a while, and everyone kicked it to the yard sale table. Uh, they still do rice perfectly, and they don't cause the little track, the three little wheels under the glass plate in your microwave rolls on to rust and burn through from the microwaves and then emit microwaves into the kitchen. Fun. Okay. Ah, Number two, this is another kitchen tip. If you're used to, one of them cheap espresso makers, like a Mr. Coffee espresso maker, right? Espresso, cappuccino, steam the milk, la 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 la. If you're used to one of them and it dies and you're reduced to using a drip coffee maker for a while until you can get another espresso maker, what you can do is take that jelly glass, cheese glass, you get them with jelly or cheese in them, throw away the lid. Once the food inside, you wash it out, and it's a juice glass. That's what was the size that I put into my espresso maker and made the exact right amount of coffee. Anyway, you pour that into your drip maker, and only that. And you probably want to use twice to twice and a half as much of your super finely ground grounds in that paper filter. And since I always nuked my milk to make it hot, I didn't care about steaming it. Nuke it 1 minute. The first time you go for it, have a paper towel folded so that it's like a little gripper. Look, the cup you nuke the milk in can get hot in them higher wattage microwaves, like 1100 watt. Ow. Yeah, I learned that one. Okay. Well, it's not kitchen. wife and daughter got me this 4-in-1 sublimatable can cooler. Now, this flexi here, see, this rim here is flexible, screw threads. It's just the perfect size for that. Anyone who knows beer cans knows that the Coors 12-ounce can is taller and narrower than other beer cans. You know, your Budweiser, your Ole, your Miller, all right? I would like to get one of these for the tall Coors can. But, you know, deal with what I got. Ah, works good. And there's another lid that screws in there with a sipping type lid with a latch down sealer. You can pop it open. It latches down with an authoritative click. I was thinking maybe seeing if my stainless steel straw would fit that one for other uses. Anyway, it's July 5th as we talk, as I'm recording right now. As we talk, it's July 5th. And no one in this neighborhood since Friday, when they started setting shit off on Friday here, in the area around here, no one's set the neighborhood on fire. I had to find some wood. Anyway, since no one's set the neighborhood on fire yet this year, I'm sort of happy. Yeah. Someone may ask why I haven't been posting as much. Because I haven't been doing anything. I mean, COVID just took all the energy out of me. Getting that back is hard when they have trouble caring. Don't particularly care to do much of anything at the moment. So it's eat, sleep, watch YouTube. Oh, I've still been watching you guys. But I'm thinking I've got a little computer room technology project I might do next week. It is actually an interesting piece of technology and a problem which you will probably come across, and how I fix it, not how you should fix it. That's up to you, how I do it. Anyway, thank you for coming by. I hope you see me again. Good night from California.